Hey guys, what's up? My name is Rafi and welcome back to my channel Rafi Ness, where we check out our favorite K-pop group. Today, after a way too long time, I am catching up with XG. They have released a full album. I found 3 MVs that came out in the time that I was inactive in. So yeah, we got XG's Hypnotize, XG's Rock the Boat, and Jurin's solo Ps118. I'm going to do the reaction to the MVs. Tell me in the comments if you want a full album reaction or not. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get right back into it. Okay, we are going to start with Hypnotize, which is the title track, I think. I don't even know what the album is called, so please tell me that in the comments. But yeah, let's get into it.
Hey, you're running from where you can't escape. Come my way, I'll put you under some kind of state. Astray, so watch me hypnotize you with my eyes.
Bro, we're back with the XG visuals again. Look at Jurin with the snake tail and everything. That's crazy, man. But yeah, this could be something in the direction of Something Ain't Right. If you guys didn't know, Something Ain't Right is my favorite XG song for some reason. Even though I'm a huge hip hop and R&B fan, that song is just such a bop that it hypnotized me. So let's see if Hypnotize can hypnotize me as well.
Watch me hypnotize you with my eyes.
Bro, her eyes changed.
Make you fantasize about me tonight. I'm hypnotizing.
Nice.
Hypnotizing.
Yeah, I like it. I really like it. Rap line is in the chorus as well. That's cool.
You'll be where I want you every night. You'll be back to feed your appetite. Swirling hypno disco.
Bro, their
And becomes your reason.
visuals, man.
Now your mind is of no consequence. I bet you never seen a girl so calm.
Every XG music video feels like a movie.
Watch me hypnotize you with my eyes.
Bro, help.
Fantasize about
Wait, weren't they like werewolves? Why is she a vampire now? Or is that just, do the fangs just mean she's a werewolf?
hypnotize you with my eyes.
What the hell is that creature in the tank?
About me tonight. I'm
Octopus.
hypnotizing.
Nice. Reminds me of the song Gala, which is probably on this album as well, right? Dreams. Bro, this MV is like, this is stunning. I don't know what to say about XG. Every time I think they have dropped their best music video yet, they drop the next one and it's like just as good. Bro, they get me so hyped. I don't know. I'm feeling so happy right now. So good. I was feeling tired the whole day and now I'm just awake. This song is so good. Also that shot with the multiple faces.
Hypnotize.
Nice. Bro, they look like characters from like movies and stuff. Like, I can't even explain. So the song was really good. I really enjoyed it. Didn't expect less from them. But the music video, again, the visuals, again, the creative direction of these music videos, bro, it's just so impressive. Every time you watch an XG music video, it's just a whole experience. Like, it's not just watching a music video. It feels like you're being thrown into a different world for a couple of minutes, and then when the music video is over, you're left there confused and need to decipher whatever happened. Like when you have a weird dream, it's the same feeling. You think about it and you're like, oh, what could that mean? It's the same with like XG videos. Every time you watch them, there's something new that just pops into your head and you're like, oh, this could mean this and this could mean that. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say about this song than it being good. I may have more thoughts at the end of this video, but yeah. Now we check out Rock the Boat, which is also from the album. I don't think Jurin's solo is on the album. I think it's a solo thing. Yeah, so let's see if the album has a continuous vibe in it, or if this song is completely different. And we may find out what we can expect of the XG album. So yeah, let's get into it.
Hey boy, I like the way you talk. I like the way you speed down me on that phone. I like that XG when I hear that ringtone. I'm looking at
Again, this is a completely different song. This reminds me of a song. What it is? What's that song called again?
Hey boy, I like the way you talk. I like the way you speed down me on that phone. I like that XG when I hear that ringtone. I'm looking at everything, but
It may come to me.
say boy, what if I wanna ride? What if I'm in the mood and I need you right now? What if you're with your crew and I needed you to bounce?
Like, see, it's so weird to see them natural now. Like, not in costumes and stuff. It's so different. So that's not it, but they look so different. So completely different vibe. Look at them in the background on the stairs.
I wanna ride. What if I'm in the mood and I need you right now? What if you're with your crew and I needed you to bounce? Feel like you should kick it on another night. Yeah. Normally I never get this crazy. My reality is all you're lately. All I'm really trying to say right now is, boy, you came and rocked the boat, rock the boat.
Bro, Cocona's fit is crazy.
Rock the boat, knock me off that way. Boy, you came and rocked the boat, swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knock me off that way.
I could not tell you where this was filmed.
The way you got me hot, you turn it up a notch. Spit
Looks like so many different places.
my heart wouldn't stop. You got me sweating every minute in the summertime. Who would've thought? Okay, we could take it two ways.
Bro,
Leo work
my reaction might not be too crazy right now, but this could be my favorite XG song ever. This is something very, like, it makes me feel something very different. It's a very, I don't know, the song just makes me feel very good.
hot. The way you got me hot, you turn it up a notch.
It's very vibey.
And I felt the drop. My heart wouldn't stop. You got me sweating every minute in the summertime. Who would've thought? Okay, we could take it two ways. Leo work the middle while singing on top of blue waves. I had to look away, but it was too late. I drank the Kool-Aid. I really thought that it was Gucci, maybe it was Kool-Aid. No, my mama would've never let me. Hypothetically, your man.
No, my mama would have never let me.
Boy, you came and rock the boat. Caught me off the beat like shaking up the stream like rock the boat. Knock me off that wave. Boy, you came and rock the boat.
Bro, Maria is very...
Open in the sea, I'm off the boat. Knock me off that wave.
Gets a lot of screen time this time around. Like this song and the other song. It's very nice. Like normally I don't... I feel like I don't see her that much.
Knock me off that wave. Boy, you came and rock the boat. Rock.
She's killing it, man.
In the deep, wide open in the sea, I'm off the boat. Knock me off that wave. Boy, you came and
Jumps were cute.
XO, you playing that game. Back to back, you been calling all day. Back and forth, calling even my friends. Even on text, leaving nonsense. Don't trip, boy, give me my space.
The thing about XG is they're individually so different but still fit perfectly as a group.
Boy, you came and rock the boat, rock the boat. Caught me off the beat like shaking up the stream like rock the boat. Knock me off that wave. Boy, you came and rock the boat. Swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat. Knock me off that wave. Boy, you came and
Yeah, so song and MV wise completely different from the other song. But also very good. A very strong song in my opinion. Like I said, maybe one of the strongest in my opinion. Like I really, really enjoyed this song. But yeah, Jurin's solo, Ps118. I don't not know what it means. Like what the title means, but it's a feature with Rapsody. Let's just get into it. Let's see what this is. But this should be rap R&B, right? Oh, it's even like old school hip hop, huh?
talk to him. Destination out of this world is space travel. New heights, I'm seeing new lights, so change levels. More spaces,
Wait, is it only crazy to me that they already get solos? Aren't they like around for what, 1.5, 2 years maybe? Their management must be really, really cool. Very cool that she already has a solo.
Let me talk to him. Destination out of this world is space travel.
They also release a lot, so they're not getting held back, which is cool.
It's an exhibition, XG on an expedition. Light speed, go the extra distance. Shooting stars when you blink, then I bet you miss it. I want the galaxy, baby, you want the recognition. Everything is moving the way that I planned it. I'm cutting transmission.
Make the planet shift with my gift, I'm an alien. Birthed by the sun, see the skin on me radiant. Everything I spit is for absorption in your cranium. Surface level rap, I ain't never
Ooh, shit.
Gamma ray rap, put the light to the mic, yeah. Distance between me and them, I'm a light, yeah. 5.88 trillion miles off. Still send directions back home for the lost ones.
Proceed with caution, cause the G's can make you nauseous. XG's a group of Martians. You know when I'm
She's a group of Martians.
no nonsense, and they know that the flow cosmic. You rap and not
Flow cosmic.
on a track like an
Nice.
astronaut.
Astronaut planet. Yes, she is doing a really good job of keeping the theme in her lyrics. Like she starts with Martian, she puts in some astronaut, cosmic, planets.
Light, yeah. 5.88 trillion.
I mean that's the theme in general, but yeah, she's
For the lost ones.
very nice.
Cause the G's can make you nauseous. XG's a group of Martians. You know when I'm rocking, you get
You know when a rocket
process. No nonsense.
blasted,
The flow cosmic.
Cosmic.
Rap and not. I'm just rolling on a track like an
floating astronaut.
on your planet when I
Planet.
the rock. I got a vision when I drop it, so you gotta listen. Make
Nice.
a movie like a
Apollo
What it
missions.
cost me, know what it costs us. Gotta bring the heat, it's a big bang process. Culmination reach, they seeing a meridian.
Bro, I've never heard of her, but she's eating as well.
Want no Star Wars, they don't wanna battle with a quasar. Send them black hole, that's a favor. Frequency high, they don't even cross my radar. Impact looking like the moon, all these craters.
Travel too close to the glow, that's where the rays are. You set the bar too low, that's why we raise ours. 7 dots on the screen like stars, gotta claim us. I just do what I do and I do till we paid ours. Oxygen level low, vapors is all I'm breathing in.
Bro, she's still going with that theme. It's crazy to me.
My radar, impact looking like the moon, all these craters.
Radar Moon, Crater, Glow Ray, Bar.
That's why we raise ours. 7 dots on the screen like stars, gotta claim us. I just do what I do and I do till we
This is genius writing.
breathing in. How to hit a Rapsody, the queen, no bohemian. 8 bar pass off, low vapors is all I'm breathing in. How to hit a Rapsody, the queen, no bohemian. 8 bar pass off with ease, so convenient. I see the play, earth is feeling crowded, so I need a space.
Get off my way, get off my way. Volatile, don't follow rules, I don't behave. From my thoughts to my style, sharper than a blade. I'm a different type of grade, and I mean that with shade. Anointed by the cosmos, you can't relate. So get off my wave, get off my wave, get off my wave.
This song is a
I'm
vibe.
a legend MC.
I'm a bit speechless, but yeah.
I'm like Christopher Nolan on an ornament. The way I push it back to the limit seems like I'm double jointed. I've been appointed, my employment is recording these tracks just for your enjoyment. I'm excited, hope you feel the raps. Punching like Tyson in science, I'm near the grass. Spaced out, but I'm grounded like I'm near the grass. Do this with the passion, you see the flash. I write like firefighters, I feel the draft.
Now float away. Bro, I'm a rap fan, but my knowledge is like not infinite. So I do not know who Rapsody is, but she seems to be a great lyricist. She seems to be very good with words and flows and stuff. So she bounced off Jurin very well, which set the mood perfectly. She also got the theme a bit. She also did she also had some lines about space and stuff. So that was cool that she didn't just feature on it, but she actually thought about what to say on the track, which is really nice of features to do, in my opinion, because we sometimes we get generic features where the feature part doesn't really fit the rest of the song or the lyrics, but this one fits perfectly. It just feels like they really sat there together in the studio, wrote the song, and just vibe until they finished it. Well, I really enjoyed this. If I would have to rank these songs that I reacted to today, it would be Rock the Boat on 1, then Ps118 on 2, and Hypnotize on 3rd. Even though you cannot, I think you cannot really compare the solo with the group stuff. But yeah, my favorite was definitely Rock the Boat. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did reacting to it. If you did, leave a like, of course. Comment if you want to see a full album reaction. I already saw that I missed XG's 4 Seasons official music video, but that's not too bad. We now have it and can react to it in another video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you're from, and alphas, stay healthy.